How to fix TikTok likes not showing properly. So if your likes on TikTok app is actually not showing properly, what are some of the reasons why this is happening? So if you're maybe coming to the likes tab over here and you're not being able to see the likes properly, the first thing is we can tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, go to settings and privacy, and from here we can go to various options. So first of all, go to privacy, and here you can say liked videos. If you want only yourself to see the liked videos, you can select only one, but make sure that that is enabled properly. After you've done that, what we're going to do is long press the TikTok app icon, or just come back to that previous settings and privacy page again, and from here scroll down to free up space and tap on clear cache to clear the cache files of TikTok. Once you've done that, go to your Play Store and search for TikTok. Also check if the TikTok app has an update, and if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.